new Midnight Eucalyptus, Lavender Gray Light Lilac, and Blue Jay Abyss Sport Loop. 3 of my favorite colors from the 5 new Sport Loops for this spring. They're $49 and available for all Apple Watch generations. Today we'll be quickly unboxing and showing them in different angles, lighting, and some matching watch faces and wardrobe. Give this a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. Let's open them. First, it's Midnight Eucalyptus. The green stripe is Eucalyptus. The dark one is Midnight. And it doesn't say, but I'm guessing the rails are Abyss Blue or Blue Fog to match the new iPhone case. To assemble any Sport Loop, slide in both ends with a metal nub on the inside, then loosen up the Velcro to slide your hand through and fasten to your desired fit. That blue is actually what I like the most about the Sport Loop. It pops out and brings the blue out of Midnight. Here it is with Silver Series 7, which always seems to match almost anything. Still looks good with Gold Series 6. Still works with Gold Series 5 and 4. Because of the Midnight stripe, any dark Apple Watch would look good with this. I found this watch band working with so many colors from casual to sporty because it has that earthy green and cool colored hues. So anything that matches green should match it, and bring out the blue with any kind of subdued blue. Next is Lavender Gray Light Lilac. The gray stripe does have a touch of lavender, and what looks like a soft white is actually the lightest lilac I've ever seen. I love the lemon zest yellow edges because it matches the lemon zest iPhone case. The lighter parts actually blend in with the silver stainless steel Apple Watch. Honestly, the website doesn't do it justice, so you have to see these bands in person. Like, I thought this would be a boring color, but look at it. The stripes give it texture, and that yellow edge gives it a pop of joy. I had to show you how it looks with silver aluminum Apple Watches because it just blends in so well. Because it's such a pale yellow, you can actually mix it pretty well with other colors without it clashing or looking so loud. I actually had a lot of fun matching watch faces to this. There's so many, and this is just to show a few. Blue Jay Abyss Blue. Not to be confused with last year's Abyss, which is actually a little darker than this year. Do you think Apple's running out of names, they just repeat colors now? This and another color, for example. I mean, if you update to the latest softwares, you actually get Flamingo in 2 colors. The old one that's more pale and a new one that's more of a bright pink. At first I thought the rails were nectarine, which would match the new iPhone case, but it's actually slightly off. The closest color to a watch face I could match it with was a true orange. Could this be a new color coming in the summer? What do you think? These were the 3 new colors that caught my eye the most. Really hope this helped. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for your support. and thanks for watching.